Getting braver now, huh? I still win. Oh, you know I'm not hurting you.
Her tail.
She's like, that's what you think.
I said, no! Don't for me if I drag you!
Just don't forget who feeds you, too.
I told her. I said, I'm gonna crash you, get off of me.
Kitty Williams gets picked on by everybody, huh? Well, yes. Yeah. You too. It's nice to meet you. You want 5? I'll give you a high 5.
I know this is so raw.
This is
Go.
wrong.